Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about using the bike wheel and how to attach that to the Stokes basket. It's going to be a big help to us if we're doing a long haul out in the backcountry because the wheel is going to take most of the weight of that patient instead of if we didn't have the wheel and we were carrying the Stokes and we all had the complete weight of it. So with the patient in the Stokes, we'll go ahead and have the people pick the Stokes up. So depending on the size of the patient, we may need 4 or 6 people to go ahead and be on the Stokes to lift it up. Next, we'll take our wheel. And I'm going to take this part with the C-clamp here and put it on the far side. And then find my little metal piece here that's going to match up to this front side. I'm gonna have to adjust this to get the wheel to go all the way on the frame here. Move this part up, lock that down, and then we've got the last part here, which is the handbrake. So the handbrake can really go on the head or the foot. It's just wherever you have somebody that's gonna be dedicated to controlling it. And it fits around this vertical bar and not the top crossbar. So a different way to load the patient is we can start them with the Stokes on the ground. We'll have someone brace the foot of the Stokes, or we'll place it against an object, and then a couple people lift up the head of the Stokes, like so. We'll keep it at enough of an angle to where we're still keeping the patient comfortable, but we have enough clearance to put the wheel on. And this way, we're going to take all the weight of the Stokes and hold it there while we're trying to put the wheel on. For the wheel is if for some reason we're now doing an edge transition or something like that, and we're not using the wheel anymore, we should actually take the time to take this platform off the Stokes so it's not getting in the way of us when we're trying to go over an edge. Also, when you're doing truck checks, make sure that you're making sure the wheel is still pumped up and it's not deflated, so that when we actually want to use it, we can have it in service.
Use the included fabric straps to gather together the bike wheel, both sections of the Stokes, and the frame pack to hold all 3 together.